Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have ever wrestled with command lines of Kubernetes, trying to remember the exact syntax for deployments, services, or scaling, you are definitely in the right place. Today, we are diving into an exciting new tool that aims to simplify Kubernetes management using power of AI. Get ready to meet kubectl AI agent. So, what exactly does this kubectl AI agent do? Well, imagine being able to tell your Kubernetes cluster what you want in plain English and it just does it. This tool acts as a translator, taking your natural language requests and translating them into precise kubectl commands needed to make it happen. Think of it as having a AI assistant dedicated to your Kubernetes tasks. Whether you want to spin up a new deployment, scale your existing application, or even manage namespaces, this agent aims to make it as simple as asking. Here is the GitHub URL. Try to install it and then look into it. So for purpose of this demo, I actually created a Kubernetes cluster right before this video, and let's try to connect to the Kubernetes cluster. Yeah, in this case I'm using GCP. You can use any other Kubernetes cluster which you have and try to connect and then follow the next steps. So in my case, I just wanted to use Google Cloud Shell. That's the reason I spinned up cluster in GCP. So I'm just connecting it, run in Cloud Shell. Back to GitHub. So download the latest release. So let's go to the page and download. So let me download it. So I just downloaded it and then need to untar the file. I did untar. Now provide executable permissions to that. And yeah, next we need Gemini API key. So here again, you can just click on the link here and it will redirect to Google AI Studio where you can actually create API key. You can just click on get API key and create API key and then select any of the project which you have or you can create one and then create API key. So I just generated. Yeah, right after this video, I'll delete this API key. So let me place it here. I did export now, and so yeah, again we can use any LLMs, but here in this case I'm just using a Gemini, but it's up to you. You can use Olama or OpenAI or any other stuff, Grok or OpenAI, anything you can use. Here are the few other instructions for the same. As long as you have an LLM attached, it, it has the brain. So that's how it works. So now let's try to execute this. Let's try it now. Provide list of nodes. See, automatically it was able to fetch the command and then it executed on behalf of us, and then it is actually showing uh, the name, and also it is in ready state. That's pretty impressive. And next, let's try to list namespaces. Yeah, again it was able to fetch all the namespaces. Provide me list of running pods. Yeah, it was able to see, even though I didn't specify the namespace, it assumed I need for all the namespaces, and it is actually providing me namespaces of pods of all the namespaces. Now let's try to deploy something. Deploy Nginx with 3 replicas in default namespace. Yeah, good that it is actually asking permission again, even though we did provide that instruction, but it wants to reconfirm. So I did press 1. Yeah, you see, it was able to get the one which we deployed, which is Nginx, and 3 out of 3 are available and ready, up to date. That's good. Please create a node port service for Nginx. Again, it is asking for this, and let's do this. List services in default namespace. Yeah, see, even though when we ask requested for to create a node port service for Nginx, I didn't specify anything as default namespace, but it was intelligent enough to uh, grab that information and actually deployed the service in default namespace. And here it is actually giving very good view of what is created and all those stuff. So that's it from the demo part. So that's a look at kubectl AI agent. What do you think? Are you excited about the prospect of managing Kubernetes with natural language? Let me know your thoughts in comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thank you.